Hey Bobcat Nation, have you ever wondered what it's like to work on a presidential campaign? Follow me as I work on the Weld campaign in this Quinnipiac Day in the Life. Hi everyone, my name is Mariam. I'm a sophomore here at Quinnipiac. I'm a political science major. Getting ready to head up to New Hampshire. We're going to be in Manchester campaigning because the primaries are coming up. So this is part of a class where you get to pick any campaign you want and you get to work with them for the next weekend, and we'll be on the road soon. We're about to go to the actual Democratic debate. All the Democratic candidates will be here. The Democratic debate was probably one of the coolest experiences of my life. Just getting to hear them talk, seeing the energy, the atmosphere, it really was something I am so happy I got to experience. We're currently on our way to meet up with the Weld campaign. We are canvassing, so we're going door to door, letting people know that there is an alternate Republican option, reminding people to vote on Tuesday for the primaries, and just getting Bill's name out there. So we just pulled up to the SNHU Arena. We're here for the 100 Club dinner for the Democratic Party. So many campaign signs out, so many different campaigns. So we just got to our seats. There's so many people here. It's divided up into campaign sections. We're sitting with the Buttigieg campaign right now, all the yellow shirts. Oh, some chanting going on. The Hundreds Club dinner. It's a dinner for the Democratic Party. It's a fundraiser essentially. You saw all the candidates, all the campaigns were set up. Each section was a certain campaign. Tomorrow we will be canvassing again for the beginning of the morning, and then Governor Weld has a town hall at 1 p.m. So we just finished our canvassing for the day. We have a town hall to head to in about an hour. Everyone's kind of just taking back, relaxing. Tulsi Gabbard campaign's here, so she actually just came up to us and introduced herself, so that was cool. Governor Weld had a town hall at 1, which he had pretty good turnout. It was awesome. We got to talk to him again, took pictures with him, asked him questions. We had a really good day. It was the last day of canvassing for the campaign. Then we went door to door talking to people, getting the governor's name out there. So it's the big day, election day today. We're currently on our way to the first voting station, which is in Manchester. We're going to be about 20 minutes ahead of the governor at each station while he goes and visits all of them. Just make sure everything's in order, hold signs, make sure that there's support for when the governor is there. So we're here at one of the polling stations. Yeah. There's the governor and his wife. This is me and Governor Weld, everyone.
Hi folks, how are you?
So we've officially finished our work for the weekend. So now we're about to leave for the victory party. A last night to celebrate with everyone. Make sure to be able to connect with everyone after this experience.
The official staff, campaign staff, and the volunteers have been just simply marvelous. And
these last 8 days between the both weekends has been something that I've learned so much from. I feel like I'm going to use so much in the rest of my life. I've made connections with these people. I'm getting to see the backgrounds and the logistics on what it's like to work a campaign is something that honestly, learning hands-on is something you can't get out of a classroom. And I have a newfound love for campaigning now because of this. Be sure to check out more of Quinnipiac's Day in the Life videos to see Quinnipiac all for yourself. Go Bobcats!